Here we go again. Bitcoin breaks above $4,000 for the fourth or fifth time in the last 3 days. What the hell is happening right now with Bitcoin? Get ready to put on your tinfoil hats, everybody, because it's conspiracy theory time. I think the market is being manipulated right now. I do not see any reason for Bitcoin to be back above $4,000 when you consider the fact that there's still bad headlines coming out of China right now related to the fact that you're not going to be able to do any cryptocurrency exchange. Originally, the idea was it's just going to be fiat to crypto that you wouldn't be able to do. Well, now you're not going to be able to exchange your Bitcoin for Litecoin. You're not going to be able to exchange it for Neo. You're not going to be able to do it for anything. All cryptocurrency exchanging is going to be banned. That's the word on the street right now. And Bitcoin is being priced right now as if that didn't happen at all. And I have to ask myself the question, does this make any sense at all? The market right now is not behaving as you would expect it to, okay? We just lost a significant chunk of volume in Bitcoin. Don't get me wrong, a lot of it's going to migrate to Japan, already has migrated to Japan, and a lot of it's going to migrate to Hong Kong. However, you're not going to be able to do that with all of it. We still are going to lose a significant chunk of volume from retail investors that just can't simply move countries because cryptocurrency exchanges got banned. Okay, that is not what is going to happen for the average Joe. So sure, institutional buyers, yeah, they can move over to Japan. But when you talk about average Joe, they're not going to be able to do it at all. Okay? I think the natural market reaction right now is these huge sell walls that we see. I think there's a lot of people that are looking to sell off Bitcoin right now, and that's why we haven't been able to stay above $4,000. I think what's actually happening here on the buy side of the order book, and I've seen this only a few times, okay, so this is why it's sort of the tinfoil hat deal. But I have seen a number of times where there has been huge, and I mean absolutely massive, buy orders on the buy side of the order book. And they clearly have no intention of executing those buy orders. Absolutely zero intention. So when I see that, because they withdraw the offers the second price goes down to that level. When I see that sort of activity, that suggests to me that somebody is trying to manipulate the market right now. And when I see that, I get worried, because I think the natural inclination of the market right now is to go down. And I think the only reason the market is not going down is because some whales are coming in and making sure that it doesn't go down. I mean, look at this activity right now. I have no idea what's happening. And that is sort of the way I summarize what I feel about the market right now in cryptocurrencies. I have no freaking clue what is happening. And as such, I have moved half of my holdings out of the cryptocurrency market for right now. The other half that's still in is in altcoins that I believe will appreciate against Bitcoin, so that even if the value of the market goes down, the US dollar value of my holdings will still stay the same even if Bitcoin goes down, because it's worth more Bitcoin. But in terms of the major cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and the rest, I have moved out of all of those entirely for right now. Until I see the next big news event, whether it's good or bad, until I feel like I have a grasp on what's happening in the market right now, I am taking half of my holdings out. Now that might be a mistake. Bitcoin might go up to 4,500. It may go up to 5,000. But in order for it to go up that high, I think there's going to be another big event that happens. And at which point maybe I'll start to understand the market. But right now, there's no news events happening except bad ones, yet Bitcoin is going up. And when I see signs like that, that suggests to me either one, manipulation on the market, or number two, irrational behavior by a large group of investors. And that means that the price we're seeing right now is fake. In other words, it's going to get corrected, and that's what I'm waiting for. If there's no big news events aside from negative ones, I'm waiting for Bitcoin's price to go down, and then I'll reinvest back into the market. If Bitcoin's price keeps going up with no news events, that's fine, because then the altcoins that I continue to hold, they will also appreciate in value. I'm okay with losing 50% of the gains that I otherwise would have had if I kept in the market with all of my holdings. But for now, I'm going to keep half of my holdings in fiat, and I'm going to wait on the sidelines for things to get cheaper, because I genuinely believe that they will. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts, seriously, because I'm very confused by the market right now. I try to keep up with these things. I watch the order book. I keep up with all the news. I read all of the articles on CoinDesk on a daily basis. What we're seeing right now in Bitcoin, to me, it feels like manipulation. So I may have the tinfoil hat on right now, but maybe it protects me. Or maybe I miss out on a huge amount of upside. Let me know in the comments. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And as always, thank you for watching.